How you guys doing? This is Derek with Woodworking. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the height gauge that I picked up recently. Now, I've only used this a couple times. I did pick this up off Amazon. Comes in kind of like a plain cardboard box. Does have some nice foam around the jig when you open it up. So, it doesn't really come with many accessories. Really just has this. So, let's pull it out. Let's take a look at it. So the brand is RUITOOL, so Ruit Tool or Ru Tool. Not really sure. That's that right there though. Now one of the cool things, or the reason that I bought this, is for setting up some of our machines, the height of the blade. Now sometimes it can get a little difficult to measure the height that the blade is up, because obviously the blade is rounded. So unless you're measuring the exact highest point of the blade and then you're rotating it to make sure you're doing it from the top of the teeth, it can be difficult. You might not be completely accurate. So on the side here, you can see the measurements. You have the 1/4 inch, you have an inch. Hopefully you can see those. So you can, it actually gives you up and down on this side too. Maybe I'll do a close up towards the end, but on this yellower part, it gives you like an up-down line here to line it up. Now what that is one is going to be showing you what it is from the tabletop up to, and then I believe the other one is showing you with the tabletop to the top of this, not the bottom. So depending on what you're doing, so that's 1 inch right there. So I can set this down the top of the saw, and then I can spin the blade and bring the blade right up to there, and you can just kind of go up and down. Now, it feels like it's solid made. This feels like solid aluminum. I like that there's nothing plastic in this. It's actually got a little weight to it, which I'd much rather it be like that than it be super light plastic and bendy. So yeah, I mean, it seems like it's actually really well made. You can tell that it's probably like CNC machined. You know, as you loosen this, it does, as it tightens a little bit, it does move straight, you know. It's got a plastic washer here, so where it goes up against this area here, it's protected, it's not gonna mark it up, and it also holds it pretty strong. It's not moving around on me, so I'd hope that you're not like gonna set it up and then try to like move it anyways. So overall, I don't think this is bad. I think this is a solid thing to have. Now there's a couple other companies that make excuse me, I thought about buying these ones. It's just like, it's kind of a rectangle, and in the center it's got like a 1/4 inch up, over, down, 1/2 inch up, over, down. So there's a bunch of different sizes, and it comes in like a bigger kit. Those I thought are a little pretty nice, because you just, first of all, you know exactly what the measurement is. You don't need to set it. Second, it goes on both sides of the blade, so you can put it right completely over the blade and then bring the blade up to that. Now, I got this because I thought it'd be nice that it's adjustable, and I felt like I could also use it on other things. I'm not sure what other things yet. If I find one, I will let you know. But yeah, overall, if you're looking for something like this, I don't think this is a bad grab on Amazon. I will post a link to this in the description, and let me know if you guys picked one up.